Hello everybody, hope all are doing good. Today I've come up with some pre-Ramadan preparations. I've included few of the recipes that I cooked on this day. Unlike last year, this year is far better and we are so blessed to have a good and safe Ramadan. And thanks to the Almighty for all the blessings. Today was a simple lunch. I made ghee rice. Take about quarter cup of oil and add the spices to it. I'm making about half kg of rice and hence the spice was enough. Add one medium sized onion. Fry the onions till golden brown. I've added 1.5 glass of water. To the same glass, I've taken 1 glass of rice. Add the required amount of salt and close the lid. Let the water boil and then we can add rice. The water is boiled. Now it's time to add a rice. Strain off the water that we have added to soak in and add the rice alone. Wait for until these bubbles start appearing. Then we can add the ghee. Add about 4 tablespoons of ghee. That's enough for half a kg. After 15 minutes, open the lid and give a good mix. There is little more water in the rice. Now lower the flame, close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our rice is ready. Now let's see how to make orange chicken. For that, I've taken half a kg of boneless chicken. To that, squeeze half a slice of orange, take off the seeds. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili chicken masala, one heap spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add in little curd and let the mixture marinate for about 15 minutes. Let the chicken marinate. Meanwhile, take about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 4 green chilies and 1 medium size onions. We are going to fry all these in the oil that we are going to fry the chicken. This is to give a good flavor for the chicken. This is optional, you can even skip this step. Take the frying pan and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add in few curry leaves. And add in the chopped onions, garlic and green chilies. Let it fry and become golden brown. Remove this from oil to a separate bowl, and to the same oil add in the chicken pieces. Once the chicken is done, add in the fried onions to this. Add in the leftover orange juice. And finally, add about 1/4 tablespoon of chili powder. Next, let's see how to make a very simple salad that goes well with ghee rice. For that, you'll need 1 medium-sized onions, finely chopped, 1 carrot, 2 green chilies, half a slice of lemon, and few mint leaves. Add in few mint leaves, the chopped onions and green chilies, and give a good punch. Add in some salt, squeeze in the lime juice, and finally add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Let this sit for about 15 minutes and your salad will be ready. Next recipe is the mint chutney recipe. For that, I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut, 2 green chilies, a handful of pudina, a handful of coriander leaves. Grind it without adding water. Add salt and finally add in some lemon juice. Since Ramadan is nearing us, it's always better to prepare ourselves for this holy month. I always write down my recipes and the things that I would require in my pantry. It's better to pre-plan ourselves so that we can spend more and more time on our prayers and less time cooking. I got these garlics as it would save a lot of my time. It costs the same as those with the skin. Arranging these back was a big task. I'd show you something now. These are called nanari roots. The nanari syrup that I get in the shops are too costly, and hence I thought I would make some. I would include those videos in my channel. I refilled all the bottles, and this is how I stored the curry leaves, coriander leaves, and mint leaves. This would stay fresh for more than 3 weeks. This is a small tip. Remove the stem of the green chilies and store it like this to make it stay fresh longer. I powdered few of the spices that I would require in my pantry, and these are sabja seeds, which I would include in almost all my drinks during Ramadan. The most important preparation for Ramadan is the ginger garlic paste, because we need to add it in almost all the recipes that we do. This is an easier way of peeling the ginger. I use a peeler and it makes my work really easier. I always take equal amount of garlic and equal amount of ginger and grind it to a fine paste. This is another tip that my sister has taught me. Add about half a tablespoon of salt to the ginger garlic paste. This is about half kg of ginger garlic paste, and store it in steel containers or glass containers, and this would stay fresh up to 3 months. That is all about today's video. Hope all of you find this video useful. I'll be coming up with more videos and more recipes. Praying and wishing all of you a very happy and a safe Ramadan. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.